Build with Standards is a One Steel initiative developed to raise awareness, improve compliance, and generate increased confidence in structural steel quality in all end-use applications. Recent changes to the Australian standards for the structural design and analysis of structural steel and also for the manufacture of structural steel products have been introduced to address industry concerns regarding improved product quality, identification, certification, and traceability. As a key link in the steel supply chain for the construction and manufacturing industries, it is critical to have confidence in structural steel. Revised Australian standards help to ensure that you get the quality of structural steel that has been specified and paid for. These Australian standards incorporate mandatory requirements for inline markings and more detailed test certificates enable industry stakeholders to check if the steel purchased has been produced to Australian standards and the specifications called up in the design. The other significant news for the construction industry is that recent changes to the Green Star rating tool provides builders and owners the opportunity to gain Green Star points through the use of higher grade steels and by awarding fabrication work to a steel fabricator accredited to the Environmental Sustainability Charter of the Australian Steel Institute. In order for these points to be awarded, the steelmaker or manufacturer must have a valid environmental management system in place and be a member of the World Steel Association's Climate Action Program. Many builders don't consider the effects of non-compliant materials, which can sometimes risk the project's integrity or your own. To assist with compliance, One Steel Manufacturing structural steel mills now have ACRES certification, which independently confirms the steel you are buying meets Australian standards. ACRES certification verifies that the steel supplied complies with the relevant Australian standards. The easiest way to check is to view your supplier's ACRES certificate and ask for the manufacturer's test certificate. These are your guarantees of compliance. Everything you need to know with regards to Australian standards, Green Star criteria, compliant products, certifications, and the latest industry news are available at buildwithstandards.com.au. It will help you build with standards.